started the SMILE program in 1994. So this is going, we're finishing our 19th year. And we started with one middle school group of 20 kids, and now we have 19 19 elementary, middle, and high school groups, and there are now something like 380 kids.
I participated in the program when I was in high school. So I started off in high school for 4 years, and then I came here and I started mentoring the kids and giving back to like the high school students and middle school students. When we mentor the kids, I think that we just go around just encouraging each one of them and not just one individually, and just help get the entire group just focused on a project at hand, and hopefully get them all thinking at once and not just leaving one kid out of the loop.
It's just amazing to see, young people doing these things, and I'm amazed at them. I've never seen them so involved. It's great. I think that without this program, the children wouldn't have the opportunity that they have, to go out and explore other things and to meet their peers around the state, that's the best part for me too, because once they know each other, who knows where they're going to get when they grow up, and if they meet up here, they're going to have so much in common, and I don't know, I think it's fabulous. It's fabulous for them.
I heard about SMILE when my teacher suggested it to me because I was really good at math. I like how it's on a hands-on project and how we had to work with different people that we never met before.
It's on wind energy, and like the different places you can find it, how it works, and how the wind works, and different ways you can use wind energy.
I got involved because I thought it was a great opportunity, and I love science, so it was really good decision for me.
I think a lot of kids are learning that it's not accidental that some things work well. And so I'm really encouraged. I see a lot of very positive end results.
Hi, I'm Samantha. I live in Pawtucket and I'm in 8th grade. Hi, I'm David. I live in West Warwick and I'm in 7th grade.
Do you think you guys are going to win?
Yeah, because we got 4.93 with those 3 blades.
It was a very successful program encouraging kids to be a part of a club that promotes science, technology, engineering, and math, the STEM subjects. And as a result, at URI right now we have 73 students, and 75% of them are in STEM majors.
Antonio kind of built this part. They kind of made the blades, which when you put the blades on here and the wind blows it, the winds turn, which causes this to spin, making this gear spin on the engine, which generates power connected to these cords, which tell us how much power we generated using the wind turbine. That's how we know how much power it uses, and the wind turbine that generates the most power wins.
They were putting together a nacelle and the tower, and then they're just going through a system of variables that they have to test to determine which of the variables makes the biggest difference in production of electricity. I think one of the most rewarding aspects is for kids who are in SMILE, 1 year or more, every one of them graduates high school.